Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to use Stamps. Stamps guys is postage online with up to 88% of ASPAS, and you can back your 30 days risk free, and you can free postage added to your account. You have mailing and shipping supply, and you have free 5 up digital scale, no contract, and you can cancel anytime. Just click get started and write your email here and username and password, and you can get started, and you can get these features guys with free risk. As you can see here guys, this is print any time, and you can postage on demand always. You can print stamps and shipping right from your computer or your phone, and you can get up to 88% off from this ASPAS. This is favorite carrier, and you can shipping solution, and you can enjoy access to many shipping service from all major carriers. Just click get started and you can start easily. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content.